Before we get started, I want to tell you about a company who's been providing telecom services since 1985. US Tech is an industry leader in providing low-cost VoIP, UCaaS, SIP trunks, and every kind of telephone service in between, including our new AI agent, which gives your business assurance that you'll never miss a call again. US Tech can drastically lower your phone bills, provide telephone service for your home or business within hours, and provide ongoing technical support along the way. That's US Tech. Call, text, or chat today and let US Tech do the work for you. All right, the next thing we're going to do is show you how to connect your T74W to Wi-Fi. All right, first thing you're going to do is hit the menu button, and you want to go to basic. So you're going to arrow over and down, and then you're going to arrow down to number 7, or you can hit 7 on the dial pad for Wi-Fi. Press the center button for enter, toggle right to turn it on, and hit save. Now, down on number 5, it says there are 11 available networks. So let's go down there and see what they are, and let's connect to one of them. Hit enter, and let's connect to this one. And now we're going to toggle through the appropriate characters below to enter the password on our dial pad. And hit save. And if it's saved correctly, there would be a green check mark to the right where that lock is. For demonstration purposes, we're not connecting to the Wi-Fi right now, but that's how you would do it.